If you're still jumping between 5 different websites just to research a single stock, this tool might save you a huge amount of time. In today's video, I'm showing you how to use StockAnalysis.com as an investor in 2026 and why so many investors are calling it one of the best stock research platforms available right now. StockAnalysis.com is a website that brings together stock data, company financials, screeners, watch lists, market news, earnings information, ETFs, IPO data, and much more in one place. The main goal is to make stock research faster, simpler, and easier to understand even if you're not a professional investor. When you first visit the website, you can search for any stock and instantly see key information like the current price, market cap, financial statements, analyst estimates, earnings history, and important company metrics. One of the most useful features is the stock screener, which lets you filter thousands of stocks based on things like revenue growth, profitability, valuation ratios, and many other criteria. Another feature that investors love is the financial data section, where you can quickly view income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements without digging through complicated reports. The watch list feature is also very helpful because it allows you to track your favorite stocks and monitor important metrics in a single dashboard. For investors who like finding new opportunities, the market movers and stock ranking tools can be a great starting point. Looking at user feedback across review sites and investing communities, the biggest advantages are the clean interface, fast loading speeds, large amount of data, and the fact that many tools are available without feeling overwhelming. Many users say it helps them perform research much faster compared to older financial websites. On the downside, some users mention that certain advanced metrics are not available for every company. Some customization options could be improved, and a few useful features are locked behind the Pro subscription. A small number of users also feel that earnings-related information and advanced analysis tools could be expanded further. Overall, the feedback is very positive, especially considering the price and the amount of information included. My final opinion is that StockAnalysis.com does an excellent job balancing simplicity and powerful research tools. It may not replace every professional investing platform, but for most self-directed investors, it offers an impressive amount of value and is one of the easiest stock research websites to learn. If you're looking for a faster and cleaner way to analyze stocks in 2026, this is definitely a platform worth checking out. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which investing tool you want me to review